The state government has reiterated its commitment to accelerating inclusive social protection efforts aimed at reducing poverty and building economic resilience across the state. Pere Botu reports.
Speaking at a stakeholders dialogue in Asaba, organized by the Ministry of Economic Planning in collaboration with the ActNaija Consortium, the state deputy governor, Sir Monde Oyeme, said social protection programs played a pivotal role in reducing poverty and fostering inclusive growth. Represented by the Deputy Chief of Staff, Government House, Sir Chris Osakwe, Sir Oyeme noted that Governor Sheriff Oborowori had shown unwavering commitment to supporting vulnerable citizens through robust programs. He noted that the programs included the Delta State Community Action for Resilience and Stimulus (DCARES), which had reached over 247,000 residents, and the Widows Welfare Scheme.
The Delta State Governor, under the leadership of Elder Sheriff Oborowori, has demonstrated an unwavering commitment to supporting vulnerable citizens through various robust social protection programs. This dialogue serves as a platform to chart a pathway for strengthening our social protection system.
Earlier, the executive director of the African Network for Environment and Economic Justice, Reverend David Ugolo, commended the state's various social protection programs such as the ANEEJ Project, Artisans Grants, cash transfers, and the Youth and Women Empowerment Initiatives. He stressed the need for a unified, legally backed framework to strengthen these interventions.
So for our project ActNaija, we are very happy that what we saw today, that the Delta State government plays a high priority on the issue of social protection. For us, is a welcome development. And we're happy to also hear from the Deputy Governor that they are very committed in building an alliance with civil society, different stakeholders.
In their goodwill messages, the Commissioner for Economic Planning, Mr. Sonny Ekedanya, the Commissioner for Works, Rural Roads and Public Information, Mr. Charles Aniagu, among others, reaffirmed government's resolve to sustain and expand inclusive social protection through people-centered policies.
Delta State has made significant progress in implementing social protection programs aimed at reducing poverty and vulnerability amongst our people.
Here in Delta, the Oborowori administration is doing a whole lot to ensure that we're able to reach out to these vulnerable groups. Of course, you know the many programs that we're carrying out, whether it's the DCARES, the More Bizarre program, the Widows Welfare Scheme, and most importantly, the enrollment of these vulnerable groups in contributory health insurance.
The survival of the people is very key, and that is why you see that the Widows program, the care programs, and then the other YAGEB and the rest programs that we're doing. It's also part of this social protection we're talking about.
The dialogue with the team, accelerating inclusive social protection in Delta State, building stronger systems for poverty reduction and resilience, featured panel discussions and interactive sessions. I am Pere Botu.